This is the DIY Magician with another quick pallet project. That's right, we're going to take these bits of pallet and we're going to turn it into a stand to hold these puppets. To make this stand, you're going to need a piece of 1x4 pallet wood material and one of their 1.5 by 2 or 2 by 2, what have you, one of these little deals here, or something similar. You can take the 2x4 and cut it down, because what you're going to do is you're going to take that and you're going to turn it into this. That's right. This is what it looked like originally, and through the magic of television, you're going to remove these, probably use them for another project, and you're going to cut these two down here. Hang tight. To try and give it a softer edge, what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a file and you're going to want to rough the edges down, or file the edges down just like this. If you do that all around and then take a sanding block and sand it down afterwards, you're going to end up with some nice, smooth, round corners for a perfect stand. Now that the two pieces are sanded and filed and all that good stuff, they've got a nice smooth edge. We're going to mount it on the wood. First of all, you're going to take each piece and you're going to make a spot for it to go. Again, you take a pencil, you draw around the outside of that. You go over here, you do the same on this side. You draw around the outside. Then you've got the actual space for your screw. Okay, so you find the center. And you drill a hole. You do that on each side. And then you find the bottom of the pieces, and you find the center there. Just like this. Sometimes you get it angled the wrong way, so you have to do it again. There we go. And you screw them in place using, what I've got is 2.5-inch screws here. And I'm going to do both at the same time. Just so they peek out a little bit. Careful not to screw it right into your hand. You put the piece on like so, and you screw it in place. Okay, that one's nice and secure. Do the same with this one over here. When you have the little part of the screw coming out, it makes it easier to find the hole on the stand. Okay, make sure it's lined up properly. And away it goes. You can twist and adjust if you have to, but there it is. Using pallet wood material, a few screws, you have the ability to display two puppets at the same time. Just like that, a two-puppet pallet display, or a puppet display made from pallets, or whatever. You got the idea. Here it is, another DIY Magician project. Thank you very much for being here. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.